How to enable display over other apps in Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to be looking at how you can enable display over other apps in your Android device. Let's begin. First thing first you need to do is go to your settings, then find your permissions, which you can do by scrolling down to your app section, and then tap on the three dots at the top right. Then go over to special access, and you should find display over other apps or something similar right over here. So I've got this option called appear on top right here. Tap on it. And I've allowed few of these apps to appear on top. So for example, Messenger has its chat heads. So I can turn it on by tapping on it to allow it. And if you want to disable it, you can do that as well. But to enable, just make sure the toggle is turned on, just like so, and you're good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.